Hey guys! Yes, I have a really big smile on my face because I'm super happy to be filming, and I'm pretty sure I just said that in my skincare routine, but that's okay. I actually have some new products that, because I know before in my past makeup tutorial videos I just use the same products, but I got some new products, guys, so it's exciting. I've already tried them out, and I'm pretty sure this is gonna be like my new go-to everyday routine, and it's just like really glowy and very natural. So yeah, if you guys want to see how to get this, well, not this look, but a natural glowy look, then just keep on watching and let's get on with the video. Okay, so I already did my skincare routine. So to start off my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Brow Wiz. I've never actually had a high-end brow chingadary thing until now. I don't know, I kind of like how I used to do my eyebrows before. I would do it with a powder. But, you know, for this video, I'm going to be using this because it's new. So I'm not a professional eyebrow person. My eyebrows, I don't know, I try to do them, but this is what we got right now. So next I'm just taking this foundation from BH Cosmetics. You guys can obviously use whatever you guys use, but just to help my skin be all the same color. Now that I have that on my face, I'm just gonna go in and blend it all out. So I basically have my eyes primed already with the foundation. So now that I have that, I'm going to be taking Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Neutralizer. This is more of like a yellow toned concealer, so it's just gonna brighten up the areas that I'm putting it in. So I'm gonna actually just let this like sit on my face a bit, just because I don't bake, because, well, like I said, I have dry skin. So I'm just gonna let it sit there for a bit, and while that's going on, I'm just going to be starting my eyeshadow. I don't know which eyeshadow brush this is, but it just came in the Subculture palette, so that's the brush that I'm going to be using. First off, I'm gonna take this light orange shade, just tap it out, and I'm gonna just put that on as a little base, but applying it more in the outer areas. I'm going to be taking the Naked 2 palette, and I'm just going to be dipping into this gold shade right here. As you can see, I've used this palette a lot. I love the gold shade in here. It just has a lot of pigment. So I'm going to be putting that pretty much in this middle area of my eye, and then just all the way up to my, I don't know, under my eyebrow bone, just up to there. And just putting it a little everywhere, kind of messily on my eyelid. So now that I've done a little bit of my eyeshadow, I'm just going to blend all of this out finally. So I'm gonna look a little pale, but right now I'll go in and I'll contour and I'll bronze up a bit. But once I've done that, I spray my face with some Mario Badescu spray, and then I'll put a little bit on my sponge, and then just put it all over my face. I'm gonna take this double-sided brush. I'm gonna be taking this side of this brush, and if you're wondering, it's from Eco Tools, to dip into these darker orange shades. I'm kind of just going to be applying that more on the outer corner of my eye. And then, as you can see, I kind of like to bring my eyeshadow out of it just because it opens up my eyes a bit. I'm just going to be taking my eyelash curler and curling my little lashes. I actually told my mom about getting eyelash perm today, and she was actually considering it. So I'm kind of happy about that. I'm just going to be taking some waterproof mascara and applying that to my lashes. I have some eyelashes. I'm going to go back into my maracuja oil. Just going to apply that under my eyes. Okay, so now onto some contour, some bronzing. To contour, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. So I love contour, and I can't believe I actually own this. Thank you to my uncle who got it for me for Christmas. I love it so much. So I'm dipping into this middle shade right here, just a little cool tone. And I just do like the 3 up into my forehead and my hairline. I'm bringing it down under my jawline. And I'm just gonna take the brush like that. Put it a little on my nose to nose contour. Hoola bronzer. Start off back here and then just blend it in and up. And again, just doing the 3. If I go a little harsh in my contour, I'm sorry. I really like bronzing and contour. So, don't judge. And so I can sharpen out my contour. I'm just gonna be taking the Laura Mercier powder, and I'm actually taking that on this Hoola brush that I have. Open it up. Now my cheeks are pretty chiseled out. In this brush from Bare Mineral, I'm going to be taking this Tarte blush in the shade Blissful. Applying it to the apples of my cheeks and just going up. The Anastasia Beverly Hills brush from before and dipping into that. So that's it for blush. For lips, I'm going to be taking this NYX. Okay, so my camera won't focus, I don't know why, but I'm going to be taking this NYX Butter Gloss. I don't really know the shade. It says it's in the shade of Prelude. That's what it is. It looks like this. But I'm just going to be applying that to my lips. And lastly, to finish off the whole look, I'm just going to take my Mario Badescu spray and spray that onto my beauty blender and just apply that all over my face. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me put makeup on my face, and it's just this natural, pretty much a glowy look, just no powder on the face. Especially if you have dry skin, this is super good makeup tutorial for you. But yeah guys, until next time, bye. I love you. Mwah.